So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your name on EasyJet Flight. So first off, you will need to actually access your booking and your flight. So that's done through this page. So let's go back to the beginning. First off, you'll need to open up easyjet.com, log into your account. So that's really important. Through there, you can see your flight info, your holidays, cars and extras, business, and booking.com. You can see your holidays, manage bookings, check-in, help, and your language, alongside with view bookings, my account, check-in, book bags and seats, change flight, my EasyJet holidays, voucher, wallet, and you can sign out as well. So through here, you can go to manage bookings and you can see your flights and holidays. Now, an interesting thing about this is that minor spelling mistakes are going to happen from time to time, and you can just adjust them with up to 3-letter changes for no special fee. But if you want to change your entire name, so if your ticket is for, let's say, James, and you want to change it to John, so someone else entirely, you will need to pay a 60 to 65 pound fee, and that's needed to be done through their call center. So as I mentioned before, you will need to access their call center and talk to them about changing your full name, which is going to incur a special fee that's going to be paid for that change on your flight. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on EasyJet or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.